Organic chemistry reaction mechanism JEE main question. Question we will see. The increasing order of the reactivity of the following halides for the SN1 reaction is first compound 2-chlorobutane, second compound 1-chloropropane, third compound para-methoxybenzyl chloride. Options are given. Now in this reaction, it is based on SN1 reaction. It is based on SN1 reaction. SN1 reaction abbreviation is unimolecular nucleophilic substitution. In this SN1 reaction, what is the intermediate? The intermediate is a carbocation. Intermediate is carbocation. So, based on the stability of carbocation, rate of reaction will be there. Based on the stability of carbocation, rate of reaction will be there. So, now carbocation stability we will see. First compound let us convert into carbocation. First compound we are converting into carbocation, we are getting secondary butyl carbocation. We are getting secondary butyl carbocation. Second compound we will convert into carbocation, we will get N-propyl carbocation, which is primary carbocation. Third compound we will convert into carbocation. Third compound we will convert into carbocation, we are getting a para-methoxybenzyl carbocation. Para-methoxybenzyl carbocation we are getting. Now, this secondary carbocation is stabilized by inductive effect. This secondary carbocation is stabilized by plus I effect. How many plus I groups shows inductive effect in the sense? One is methyl group shows plus I effect. Next, ethyl group shows plus I effect. Two groups are showing plus I effect. Due to plus I groups, this carbocation is stabilized. Next, we will see this N-propyl carbocation. It is also stabilized by plus I effect. It is also stabilized by plus I effect. Here, how many groups are showing plus I effect in the sense? Only one group, that is ethyl group. So, due to this ethyl group, it is getting plus I effect. So, it is stabilized. Next, third compound we will see. In this third compound, this oxygen is having lone pair. This oxygen shows plus R effect. That means positive resonance effect is possible. Through positive resonance effect, this carbocation is stabilized. Now, stability, if you see, resonance effect, resonance stabilizes carbocation to more extent than inductive effect. Which inductive effect and which resonance effect in the sense? Here plus R effect, here plus I effect. Like this we have taken. Here plus I effect, here plus R effect. So resonance stabilizes carbocation to more extent than inductive effect in the sense. So stability of carbocation. So stability of carbocation, how it will be there in the sense this third will be greater than this first and second. In the first and second, how the stability order will be there? How the stability of carbocation will be there in the sense in the first one, more stability because 2 plus I groups. Second one, less stability because of only one plus I group. So stability order, how the stability order will be there for carbocation overall? If you see, this third is having greater than first is having greater than second. So how the rate of reaction will be there now? Now rate of reaction, how it will be there in the sense third compound goes for higher reactivity than first compound. First compound goes for higher reactivity than second compound. So what is the answer for this question in the sense this 2 is less than 1, 1 is less than 3. That is third compound reactivity is more, somewhat less is first compound, still less is second compound. So that means which will be the answer in the sense B option is the answer. B option is the answer.